Okay guys, welcome back ladies and gentlemen. Now, special request. I've been asked to do a demonstration how to put on this case. This is the Spigen Slim Armored Pro case, as you can see, and I'm going to show you how I fix this to my Google Pixel Pro Fold 9. So let's go. First of all, let me move the mobile phone out the way, as you do, and bring in the case. So let's go for the unboxing. What do we get in the box? So there's an arrow here, just to point out, there's an arrow pointing downwards. What you do is push out the box, and voila, there's the case. So the case is, this is the back of the case, of the Spigen case, which you can see there's this yellow pattern for probably extra protection of the case. Then you have this spine which flicks backwards and forwards, and it's spring operated, and also in the box. And this is the front of the case, so it's quite thin. Okay, now also in the box you've got some extra adhesives which you can add, which I don't think I will. You have a cleaning wipe, and you have the instructions telling you what to do when fitting the case. I don't need that because I've done it before. So they can go back into the box, close the box, that gets thrown to one side, and I'm going to start with the lens cleaner. So I'm going to open that up, bring in the mobile phone, and give this a bit of a wipe down. So let's get into this. Here we go. Oh, it smells. It smells nice. Smells of zest. Zesty smell. Nice. And then you do the back. So as you can see, I've got a new skin on this, and I did a video about this about a week ago, and if you haven't seen it, then please check it out, guys. It's worth a view. So I just wipe it down, as we do, and then after that I'm going to get a dry cloth, and that's in my drawer. Here we go. This wasn't rehearsed. So then dry it off, making sure it's completely clean, like so. The sides and the back, and also the spine of the phone. Give that a bit of a clean as well, just to make sure it's in tip-top condition. Okie dokie. Let me just close that down. First thing I'm going to put on will be the front of the case. As you can see, we're at the front of the phone. So I'm going to put the front case on first, and I'm going to remove all the strips within the case. So these are the adhesives. So I'm just going to peel them off one by one. And the good thing about the Spigen cases, they do apply a generous amount of tape, which again will help with the positioning the case on the phone, and also allowing the case to stay on the phone. Now that's proving to be very hard to get this one off for some reason. I don't know why that won't come off. Okay, let's hold on. I don't like to give up, as you know, guys. And also, make sure that you don't peel off the actual adhesive. So you've got to make sure you do this properly and carefully when you're peeling this off, I suppose. I've got a little bit here, I think. A little edge. Or have I? Oh gosh, what's happening now?
Few moments later. A few minutes later. A few inches later. 12 seconds later. 3 days later.
That one came off nice. Okay, fingers and thumbs. Let's try this one again. See what I can do though, there we go, got it this time. Perseverance and all that. Now this one is going to be difficult for some reason, but I'm going to try it, instead of going from that end, which you saw, I'm going to go from this end, right here. Here we go, that seems to be working. Come on baby. There we go. Peel off. Right, so as you can see, that is all of them taken off. So I'm just going to place this now on the mobile phone, following the angle of the phone itself to position the case. And all you do is just slot it in, click it in, and then from doing that, you then press down, making sure it's firm and nice and cushioned. And that is the first part done. Now, the second part, which is the back side of the case, let's try and get this off. So again, stickers, remove them nice and easily, like so. I think I took off, yeah. Do you know what I did? I actually took off part of the, see that's the thing with that, look. You got to be really careful. It's actually taken off the adhesive there. I don't know if you can see that. Took off the adhesive. So you got to be really careful when you remove the stickers, because if you peel off too hard, you'll actually remove the actual adhesive. And that's what you don't want to do, because if you do, then you always got the option of going into the box and getting the extras. But if you want to try and hit this the first time, then take your time and just remove these stickers nice and easy. Take your time. So this one is also proving difficult to take off, but I'll persevere. There we go, nice and easy. And I believe that now is done. So all the adhesives have now been removed. So what you do now is, back to the mobile phone, I would then use a cloth like so, rest the front of the screen onto the cloth, and that means that the back of the case can now be fitted to the phone. And all you do there is, again, you line up, click it in place, squeeze it all in together. There we go. And hey presto, let's have a look. Open her up. Also feel around the edges, make sure they're stuck in properly. But that feels pretty good. I'm actually happy with that. Yeah, that feels good. Closing it. Open it. Let's see the spine of the case. Got that nice little clicking action. So that's, I know that's on properly. So yeah, let's now look around the case. So as you can see, there's a slight raise there. So if you were to place your phone on a table, you know that your cameras are secure. Looking to the bottom of the case, all the inserts are perfectly positioned, which is a major plus. That means that I've actually placed the case on properly. If you notice that they are positioned centered. So that's good. The volume button and the power button, as you can see, is clearly open and they are easy to get to. Still clicky as always. So that's nice. At the top, you can also see that the speaker grill at the top is also clear and also position centered. And the antenna, same thing, clear and centered. So that is my review of the Spigen Slim Pro case. Hope you liked it, guys. Any questions, please drop a comment below. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next one. Adios.
Yeah. We're walking in a room and light it up, you say you like that.